Hello, my loves. It is a new day. I am sitting here chilling, trying to relax and get ready for the new work week coming. But I just got a call, supposed to be going to a hockey game, so I'm just sitting here waiting on my ride. But while I wait, I'm going to watch one of my content creator favorites. Her name is Chelsea Janae. She is definitely entertaining, and I love her life. She's really good. So that is what I'm doing right now, and hopefully, I can keep it together for the work week. All right, see you guys later, my loves.
And as ladies and gentlemen, warm welcome to the window world ice cream.
Being 18, 19 years old.
We enjoy it and just how it feels to be so huge.
And nostalgia.
Better than the last one. Because we sat over there the last time. Burns is my man.
Hello, my love. What a day it has been, but it was very productive. So glad to be home. Had to do some grocery shopping. Had to restock on some stuff, you know? Telling you. Get you some H2O going on, because I'm telling you, I'm so bad at it. Just so bad at it. But yes, I have been to World Market this evening. Bath and Body Works and Food Lion. If you're not familiar with the Food Lion grocery store, that's what we got here in North Cackalack. Food Lion grocery stores. Got me some cabbage. I just been on a cabbage kick here lately. You know, good brain food. Lord, this is coming out the box already. I needed some aluminum foil. You know, every now and again, I want one of those chicken pot pies. You know, you got to wrap the edges with the foil. I was about to have one last night because I didn't feel like fixing anything. So, yeah. I couldn't do that, so I had a bowl of noodles, ramen noodles. And I don't know what I'm going to do tonight. But I also got some brownies. I like to put some pecans in there and an extra few things, you know, jazz it up a little bit. I guess I got enough Honeycrisp apples in this bag. They're falling out of the bag. I was thinking this time around if I do some baked chicken, I'm going to do some sweet potatoes instead with it, instead of the rice. I don't know, so I grabbed a couple of sweet potatoes. More apples falling over in here. Y'all ever had apples and peanut butter? That used to be a snack that my grandmother used to make for us. The best. Celery and peanut butter, apples and peanut butter. Go right back outside. And what does your grandma say to you? Stay in or out of this damn house. Don't slam my damn door and don't flop down on my seat. Okay? Yo, this stuff right here is good. Okay? Coffee creamer. Love, love, love coffee. I've had matcha at Starbucks before, but I'm about to try to get into that myself a little bit, you know, but I'm pretty old school, you know. I used to do the Folgers. Now I've gone to the Starbucks decaf, you know. It all kind of works the same for me, but because of my health, I cannot have a lot of stuff with caffeine in it. See, I'm still stuck on it. So I have to make sure that I say I cannot have a lot of things that have caffeine in it because it will take my heart rate up, and I don't need all of that. But yeah, I love this creamer here. It is the Cinnamon French Toast Food Lion brand non-dairy creamer. Really good. You should try it. Got me a little thing of some vegetable cooking oil. And as y'all seen before, loves, I love good leg quarter. Clean them things up. Take that fat off of there. You good to go. Good to go. You can't go wrong with some Zatarans when you're trying to make a quick meal. Trying to make a quick meal. This does it every time. Put you a little bit of ground turkey meat, or I think I like the 93 and the 80 every now and again. It just depends on how I'm feeling, but the 93% ground beef is good. I like the ground turkey as well. I would imagine you could probably put something like, what do they call it? Like the turkey links. You just cut it up, put that in there. That's good too. I like, well, I picked up the wrong thing. This is just the regular spaghetti, but I actually like the thin spaghetti when I make spaghetti. I'm not really sure if I'm going to cook tonight or not, but if I do, y'all will be the first to know because I'm the only one at home right this second. So I should have been grabbing a 93% and an 80. I'm pretty special. So sometimes in my tacos, like when I do the ground beef for the tacos, I like for it to be a little bit more fatty. Yes, I drain the extra off, but you know, this be hitting sometimes at 80%, 80 lean and 20% fat, you know, and then sometimes I'm feeling like I just want to get the 7% fat and the 93% lean. So I generally will like mix these two together. So this is the fresh turkey sausage, Italian style by Jenny O. I like to put this in my spaghetti mix. So what I do is brown this up really good, and then I'll take like the 93% ground beef, and I mix these two together with my peppers and onions, you know, and put my spaghetti sauce in there. I might even put a Lipton onion soup pack in there too. Oh my God, you talking about something savory and good? Yeah, it's good, good. So, of course, a lot of times when I fix spaghetti, I like to have some corn on the cob and some garlic bread to go with it. I had to grab some flour because last time when I was cooking, I normally like to put a little flour, a little broth, you know, like beef broth or chicken broth together, mix that up really good, and then pour it in there with maybe like the cream of chicken or cream of mushroom to thicken up the gravy. But I didn't have any flour, didn't realize I had ran out. So this time I do have flour because I probably will do some more leg quarters. You can never go wrong with that, especially if you got the seasoning right. You know what I'm saying? If you got your seasonings right, you're good. All right, so that was the end of the Food Line haul. Oh, and I got some Starry canned sodas. And let me see, what did I get from Walmart again? All right, so this is some chili oil. I saw this, one of the other YouTube creators I've been following, she put this on her eggs, boiled eggs, and I want to say she like drizzled it over her avocado toast. She had boiled an egg, chopped that up, put it over it neatly, and then just kind of drizzled a little bit of this over the top. Now I like a little bit of spice too, so I'm just going to take a chance with this. 40 milligrams of sodium. I still need a little sodium in my life, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna hurt nothing, and you see how I be seasoning. So just pray for me, okay? Pray for me. I take my meds. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna try that out. And then also from World Market, I could not find the one simple thing that I was looking for here. So I ended up getting like a gift set. They actually just put this out on display, and it was $19.99.
More
so
like $40.
So when I start my little matcha adventures, I have the full set already. I have the spoon, I have the bowl, and what is that they call this thing here? Let me read up on here what this stuff is. The bamboo whisk. Okay, and then you have your spoon to gather your matcha. You know, it gives you instructions on how to stir it up really good. It tells you how much matcha to put in the bowl. Small amount of hot water creates a paste, then add up to ½ a cup more hot water according to the taste. So using your chasing, that's what it is. It's called a chasing. So using your chasing, you want to whisk back and forth, not in a circular motion, until frothy and air bubbles are fine and consistent size. Drawing the whisk up to create a frothy top. And then from Bath and Body Works, I just got the pineapple mango wallflowers. Got 5 for $27, I think it was $27 for 5. So I'm gonna switch those out momentarily. And I'm just gonna put this food up really quick, decide if I'm going to cook something or not this evening, or if I'm just gonna put that chicken pot pie in the oven, because it is 6:40 already. I really just want to sit down and chill, but I kind of got a taste for some spaghetti, so we'll just see what happens. I might actually already have some spaghetti sauce, not sauce, because I do have sauce, some thin spaghetti in the cabinet already, because I really don't want to do the other spaghetti. Boo Thing likes the other spaghetti. He's fine with either or, but not me, not so much. Okay guys, so that's it for now. I get back at you. Love you, loves.
So come over you. every night in an unmarked car. Wondering what she had on me to make you break my heart. Yeah, make me feel I'm so gone. So you make me feel I love you, baby. Nights I couldn't sleep. You let the sun beat you home. I ask myself over again, what am I doing wrong to make you stay out all night and nothing to call? What does she have over me to make it nothing to call home? You make me feel I'm so gone. So you make me feel oh, and I love you, baby. Listen, boy, I'm no rowdy chick. Sometimes I have to fight cause my mouth too slick. Baby, why you doing me like I ain't worth shit? Make me wanna ride past your house and sit. Kick down your doors and smack your chick. Just to show you Monica not having it. So in love with you like a drug habit get. So you treat me so unreal. What she do, I do better. What she did to make you love her, is it real? Baby, please, yeah, let's stay together. What she do, I do better. What she did to make you love her, is it real? Is it real? Please, yeah, let's stay together. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, I love you, baby. Oh, and I love you, baby. Oh, and I love you, baby. Oh, and I love you, baby. Yeah, me feel I'm so gone. So you make me feel oh, and I love you, baby.
Ain't nothing wrong with this juice in the bottom of this bowl right here. This is about to be so good. I had some collard green lasagna in Atlanta from Darius Williams, the chef Darius Williams. I had that at his restaurant. It was so good. And this collard green juice, oh my goodness. Little remnants in there. You see that? Little remnants. That is going to be amazing. So what I'm going to do is put me these noodles over it so I can have me some dinner tonight. Yes. And then I'm going to take some sauce. Look at this sauce. Amazing. I think that's going to be good enough. Now y'all know I've been in the kitchen slaving. No, not slaving. Just do a little something together. And so now I'm about to take a bite of one of my bowls here. You know, I put a little collard green juice up in mine. You know what I'm saying? Little last leftovers that I had put in the freezer. You know, and now I done pulled it out. You know, to go with one of my meals. And I am about to partake in this good spaghetti. And it's about to be so good. Can you hear that? Okay. You hear it. About to be so good. When I tell you that spaghetti sauce and that little collard green remnants, the red green peppers and onions, they cook down just right too. Just right. I don't like it, real soft. I like just a little bit of crunch to it. Y'all know. What a treat. Here y'all go. Yeah. Big old bite. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. It is a new day, my loves. I am out already. We had a little bit of a snowstorm last night, and I don't even think we got 2 inches of snow, but I haven't checked the news to see. Pretty much I was just waiting for the sun to come out, and this little piece of snow that we had started melting on the road, so I could get over to hang out with some of my homegirls from back in the day. We are in our 40s now, and we just need to start doing more things together. We grew up in a time where we were actually getting to know ourselves, you know what I'm saying? Like those high school days, you getting your menstrual, you starting to feel yourself a little bit, and your attitudes come and go and things of that nature, but we all managed to still make it work. And I would say we really weren't catty in high school. We all had a focus. We knew what we wanted to do. We really were very mature for our age, and so now we're coming back around again to getting together. We have a few that are married, a few that are on the dating scene, and just out here living our lives, being about our careers and such. I'm enjoying and trying to make the best of it myself while we're here. So we are going to meet up at Stir this afternoon to do a little brunch, and just play catch up. And this will be our first get together for the year. It is the 11th of January, and we're supposed to actually have a full day of things going on, like brunch, and then this evening we're going to try again and do the Mary J. Blige tribute band, and they're also going to be doing a rendition of Jodeci. So I really want to see that. That's in High Point, North Carolina. So we'll see what the temperature does, if it's going to be black ice on the road or what. I don't know. We may go, we may not go this evening, because it still gets dark a little earlier. So we'll see. But we're going to start off in North Hills. If you don't know anything about the Raleigh-Durham area, again, I try to share a little bit every video that I do. It's residential and commercial. They have some high-rise buildings out there, senior living, luxury community, and some really nice restaurants, bowling alley, and we are going to meet up at Stir, like I said. So they also have like a Capitol Grill, Chewy's, What else do they have? They have a iCryo, which I frequent every now and again. They also have a couple of hotels. They have a fitness center there, movie theater, and God only knows what else they're building. I know they have one Indian restaurant that I know of, 2 or 3 Italian restaurants. They also have a cowfish. I can't even think of the name of the other one right now, but I will put that in the video for you guys. I feel like I'm just rambling right now, probably because I need to eat something. I've only had a cup of coffee. I really need to get some water too. So yeah, that's what we're about to do, and I will see you guys when I get there. Cheers.
Yeah, it's cute. Cook be there. I got time for him. This white people. I mean.
One time for the birthday girl. One time for the birthday girl.
I know all the little kids want snow. Oh, my baby boy just want to have nothing. Oh my goodness. I was like, Mom, I feel bad for Joe.
Don't come back with no chicken salad and act like I'm not. I'm gonna ask for some. I'm gonna ask for some. I need to go video that.
Chicken salad.
Yes. But yeah, there was some amazing prices. I can see myself being more than about $18.50 now. Like a 2-bedroom rental.
Yeah,
I don't want another house. I'm not gonna do no yard work. Townhouse is decent enough.
exactly.
Get your lessons, say your lessons back yourself. That's what you do.
Essentially, I know I'm not opposed to moving on the house.
Why you ain't get no cracker to go with it?
It's a chicken salad.
Yeah.
It's a chicken salad. Y'all better go get you. You better get you some.
You better get you one of these chicken salads.
It's good.
I know it is probably. Okay, so they had chicken salad on the bar, so we're gonna try that. Mediterranean sandwich. Okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Well, you know, everywhere we go, we gotta eat. We could do like,
I love shopping.
we could do the train trip.
Yeah. I've done that.
I wanted to do the train trip. And then like split or Uber to get where we gotta go. Like do the luxury Uber for the like the trucks or whatever. And then pop up on her.
I will be doing overnight.
Gigi has got a name that's got a boy name.
Because Auntie Niecy be on it.
We could be on it. I'm low key, but I be on it.
How we gonna break them up?
Already. She gonna break them up.
Tell Mariah she can come hang with Auntie Niecy. Because baby, I found it all out.
Me too.
She said, how we gonna break them up?
Inspector Gadget.
So they ended up not breaking up. So she's, you know, she's a little salty right now.
Oh Lord. Thank you. You see how fast I pushed that out of the way? It's crazy. Wow. And we over here with the same stuff. We different, you know. Y'all can have some of mine because I'm not supposed to eat it.
That looks good.
Very salty.
What y'all drink? Y'all do vodka? Y'all do vodka? What shot?
Yeah.
Can we get a shot?
What we doing?
Do a lemon drop shot.
You got it. Enjoy.
Hey.
I love it.
He gonna just see my plate real quick. You sick of me, boo?
In a good way.
Do you see this plate? You know I didn't take my propanol this morning. I ain't took my blood pressure medication yet. I'm about to share though. Yeah. But I'll call you back later, okay? Bye. I had already made plans in Franklinton, where I was from, come here and have a Jerry curl. I was the only one I think that had a Jerry curl.
Well, I mean, and I get it because I'm from New York. Styles was different. I had braids. Like, I always had braids. great. I had stuff, clothes that people didn't recognize. Somebody was like, you know, I would mix with friends. I was wearing K-Swiss. She always had a crossbody. Right. Always had a bag, you know, some type of bag. So I get that because it was like the bread, you know, the braids. Nobody
Right.
at 19, nobody in North Carolina was wearing braids.
I couldn't find my way. I felt like I couldn't find my way. With the dancing thing, I felt like that was the only thing that was like, oh, okay, she cool.
That's what I remember the most.
Yeah.
I'm like, girl, look at her. Her Jamil and Tracy, whoever else.
And they are.
It's like our little brother, y'all.
Right.
It was like a play fight, but I really wanted to do that. I really wanted to do that.
He'll tell you about it, but
And let me say this now. That's where I'm at. I said, let me go back. Anybody knows who I am? Good. Very good. Thank you for the recommendation. If anybody knows who I am from the beginning, it's y'all. Find my way. Y'all know what I like to do without me having to say it. I feel like even though we haven't spent a lot of time together, you know who I am. I feel like maybe if I bring this group together, it will be more solid. I'll feel more complete and whole. Bring me back to something that feels normal, because that's what I'm always wanting. Nothing really feels normal anymore when you lose a child. You know what I'm saying? Celebrating isn't the same anymore. You will have moments of feeling guilty because I'm eating such a good meal right now. Oh, it's so nice out. Oh, this is Mari's type of weather today. You know what I'm saying? You feel bad for living something. You know, so with all of that being said, I'm like, I gotta put this group together because that's something that you can't change. You can't take it away from me. Nobody can feel single. Because guess what? This is the meal group crew. I don't have to invite you. I don't have to have you a part of it. I've met people along the way that have been wishy-washy with it.
or wishy-washy. You know, like
that way.
And I'm really excited that we all have grown and that we can sit here and actually have conversation.
Right.
And
Damn, I should have got 2 salmon.
So, Kiwana, when you thought about putting this together, like, what was your thought? What did you have in mind? Like, you just wanted to connect?
My thought process was I want a women's group that know me to start with like a good foundation of just women my age that have careers, that are focused. I always loved Atlanta Housewives. They were a little bit too extra for me, but I didn't want that part of it. But so far it's like, show me how you do this makeup, show me about this outfit website, or let's go out to eat, experience a new restaurant. Raleigh is growing so much, you know what I'm saying? And you can get a lot of things for next to nothing. And a lot of people like to gatekeep. I'm not a gatekeeper. If you like something, I'm gonna tell you where to get it at. Now,
I'm sorry.
It's okay, go ahead.
When is yours?
the 9th.
Mine is Monday.
Oh, happy We gotta have over here, but she that December cat. She that December cat. Look at that corn.
So yeah, you know, like just to play catch up, something that you're thinking about that you want to do. I don't want you to feel alone like I feel alone. Like everything that I want to do, it doesn't have to be with a boo thing. You want to experience another country. If you want to go to this social
my best
event,
life in Paris, and I ain't even been there.
girl,
Honey,
yes.
I was telling my coworker, I was like, look at my friend.
You was there, I was like,
Yeah, when you was there, I was there.
It was unbelievable for me too though. I was looking down at my feet like I'm literally standing here, and then I was looking at Andrea like, we really here, bitch. And I don't say the word bitch to women, you know what I'm saying? In that moment, I was like, bitch.
I want to go to Africa.
I want a husband. I'm serious, y'all. And I know it's surprising. I want it to be an ordained blind. I want to be able to be out wherever and say, I see Shanika, I see that woman.
They say they at the farmer's market on Saturday.
Well,
They at the
next week,
farmer's market,
When we going to the farmer's
we need to go to
you know what I'm saying?
the market.
They picking up their collard greens. They doing their meal prep.
Yeah.
That's what Oprah said.
You want to do another round of shots, lady?
Yeah, I'll go ahead and get that.
Another one?
Another
We might have to
mimosa.
just take a lap around.
See, you said pineapple and what else?
Pineapple, grapefruit, cranberry, and orange.
Let's do the orange.
Orange?
They
Okay.
don't have peach.
Right?
No, ma'am. You're welcome.
Yeah, I am excited. Really, always when I see like other girl groups, oh my gosh, yeah. But you have to have like click.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to be with the click that you gotta be all fancy up. Right. Some has a ladies. Right. Or I don't have those.
Right.
Because I started to say, let's just dress down today, but I kind of like the casual look.
But I feel like we're old enough to know like the vibes. Like I don't feel like, oh well, I can't bring my coat bag. Monica, I'm not. Monica did
Got to do today, so I got mine next time.
These are designer inspired. On my YouTube page, this fashion inspired. That's what I have on my page. What we're doing, because I'm not finna pay all of that. Yes. Today I have another designer inspired because I need to be able to order what I want to order when I go out. He says shrimp, steak, chicken, lamb chop. I'm getting all of it. Okay? Let me tell you again. I'm gonna get all of that. My purse, I got a budget of about $60, but I will spend $350 if anybody can inbox me and let me know where I can get a Louis carry-on for about $350. Let me know. All right, back to it. I know that's right. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Birthday girl.
It's your birthday. Yes, of course.
Thank you so much.
No idea how much this really truly means to me. You see what she did?
Look, you wait till we get with these hotel suites and have pajama night. Because I'm going to be filling up everybody's bottle. Oh my God.
I haven't celebrated a holiday since India passed. Don't call me, don't text me. They know. I just.
This one right here had me in tears on his 21st birthday. This one right here.
In Jamaica?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
Girl, I was mad.
Like,
I
I could literally like feel him there.
I love
But India have 21st birthday. She loved the beach. She would love the sunset and sunrise.
Well, when's her birthday?
I'm sorry. We went to the beach and y'all, when I say this girl showed up and showed out.
She loved butterflies too.
Going to the Airbnb, the last street before we was about to turn off had the same name street she grew up on. And we was playing music, right? And had the Bluetooth and I just put my YouTube on. Well, I don't have no playlist. I just hit.
Yeah.
And you know that she liked was coming up and I don't listen to the same.
Yeah. You have to celebrate every day. We all have things internally going on. You don't know what the person pulling up beside you, the next car over, is going through.
Right.
You did that before
I
you
was
was 20.
Ugly fine. I was gonna tell you that. I was ugly. But you on the boat, I was ugly.
I can't swim. And I was like, boy, you got me out here on the edge of the boat.
I was
talking,
crying.
so unbothered. Yeah, that was Desiree. She was with me, and she opened up her house to me. I didn't stay in my house another month after Kamari passed. My house sold in a day and a half. I moved in with Des. I put all of my stuff in storage, and I stayed with her maybe 9-10 months. Enough room for me, her, and somebody else even if they wanted to. But I didn't want to wear out my welcome, and I was enjoying the fact that we could be cousins and everything was on the up and up. I felt like I needed to remove myself and get my own place so we could keep that relationship before we fell out.
Pay attention to her.
Lemon drop shots and mimosa.
It's on me.
4 hours later.
So we get in the room. So when I